Hi, I'm Allentown Mayor Ed Pawlowski. Over the course of the next several months, we'll be having in-depth discussions to help keep you better informed about issues that are pertinent to the health and well-being of our citizens and our city. Some of these issues may be lengthy and complex. That is why we are using new forms of media, such as YouTube, to help educate and inform a greater number of people about what we're doing. Feel free to submit your own questions and concerns about what you believe is best for Allentown at questions@allentownmayor.com, or you can browse some of the videos we already have online. We will try to answer as many questions as possible and make government more accessible and create an ongoing dialogue with city residents. You can also follow me on Twitter at www.twitter.com/AllentownMayor. I am looking forward to hearing from you and hope that these conversations between us lead to a better Allentown.